Congress's Ashok Gehlot has claimed artificial intelligence was the dream of Rajiv Gandhi. The Congress leader credited Rajiv Gandhi for the rise of technology and said that AI was his dream and that dream has now come alive. That is the latest statement that has come in from the Congress party.
वक्त आ गया है, एक नेता ने जो आज नेता प्रतिपक्ष भी है, एक नौजवान भी है, जिसका सपना देश के लिए, राजीव गांधी ने कहा था मेरा सपना 21st सेंचुरी है। आज देख लीजिए, कंप्यूटर आ गए, मोबाइल आ गए, इंटरनेट आ गए। कोई कल्पना की नहीं थी ये स्थिति बनेगी देश के अंदर, मोबाइल इंटरनेट की सेवाएं मिलेगी, दुनिया पूरी से हम जुड़ जाएंगे। अब तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का एक चमत्कार आ गया। ये राजीव गांधी का सपना था।
Let me go across to my colleague Nyamika, who's joining us with more on this. Nyamika, help us understand the context in which Ashok Gehlot made this statement about Rajiv Gandhi dreaming about artificial intelligence.
The Congress party has been continuously giving credit to the former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi regarding the IT revolution, and that is what the Congress party has always been saying, that it was the dream, it was the vision of Rajiv Gandhi, and that is the only reason why mobiles and computers were introduced in our country. That is what always Rajiv Gandhi had dreamt about, and that is.
All right, we'll try and reconnect with my colleague Nyamika. Remember, this is the latest statement that is giving credit to Congress leadership. Let's listen into what Ashok Gehlot has said.
वक्त आ गया है, एक नेता ने जो आज नेता प्रतिपक्ष भी है, एक नौजवान भी है, जिसका सपना देश के लिए, राजीव गांधी ने कहा था मेरा सपना 21st सेंचुरी है। आज देख लीजिए, कंप्यूटर आ गए, मोबाइल आ गए, इंटरनेट आ गए। कोई कल्पना की नहीं थी ये स्थिति बनेगी देश के अंदर, मोबाइल इंटरनेट की सेवाएं मिलेगी, दुनिया पूरी से हम जुड़ जाएंगे। अब तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का एक चमत्कार आ गया। ये राजीव गांधी का सपना था।
So that is, of course, Ashok Gehlot crediting the rise of technology as well as the emergence and the acceptance of artificial intelligence in India to the late Rajiv Gandhi. Remember, this has, led to a political war of words. But as far as the Congress party is concerned, it is yet another statement where they are giving credit to their own leader for something that has, not been really to their credit.